you looking to turn your digital designs into physical reality, but don't know which machine to trust? Today, we're counting down the top 5 3D printers that dominate the market in 2026. We've analyzed everything from plug-and-play ease of use to industrial-grade precision to help you find the perfect match for your desk or your workshop. Before we dive into our top picks, please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment below about what you're planning to build, and subscribe to Top Home Finds. Let's get started with number 1. First up is the Creality Ender-3 V3 KE. The Creality Ender-3 V3 KE is a standout choice for those looking to balance performance with user-friendliness. Here are 4 primary advantages of this model. Exceptional printing speed. Equipped with an upgraded motion system and a high-performance CR operating system, this printer can reach speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second. Smart Sprite Direct Extrusion. The integrated direct drive extruder ensures smooth and consistent filament feeding. Hands-free auto leveling. Utilizing a CR touch sensor and strain gauges, the printer automatically calibrates the leveling and Z offset. Advanced connectivity and remote control. With built-in Wi-Fi and LAN capabilities, you can manage your prints remotely via the Creality Cloud app or web interface. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the original Prusa MK4S Kit. Here are some advantages of the original Prusa MK4S Kit. Flawless first layers. Features a load cell sensor that automatically guesstimates the perfect Z offset, ensuring a precise first layer every time without any manual intervention. High-speed printing. Utilizing input shaper and pressure advanced technologies, it delivers exceptionally fast print speeds while maintaining the hallmark reliability and print quality of the Prusa line. Industrial-grade reliability. Built with high-quality components and a robust frame, it is designed for 24/7 heavy-duty use. User-friendly maintenance. The modular design and quick-swap nozzle system allow for easy upgrades and maintenance. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is Creality CR-M4. Here are some advantages of the Creality CR-M4. Massive build volume. Features an expansive 450 by 450 by 470 mm print area, allowing for the creation of large-scale models or batch production of smaller parts in a single pass. Industrial-grade stability. Engineered with dual Y-axis linear rails and a rigid Z-axis support stay, ensuring high precision and smooth motion even when handling heavy, oversized prints. High-temperature capability. Equipped with an all-metal Sprite direct drive extruder and a 300 degrees Celsius nozzle, making it compatible with professional-grade materials like nylon, ASA, and carbon fiber. Multi-printer control. Supports synchronized management via Wi-Fi or RJ45 Ethernet, enabling users to control a fleet of machines simultaneously for efficient small-scale manufacturing. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Here are some advantages of the Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Rapid printing velocity. Delivers exceptional speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second and high acceleration, enabling the completion of complex projects in a fraction of the time required by standard printers. Fully automated leveling. Employs a one-click, pressure-sensing auto-leveling system that guarantees a precise first layer and eliminates the need for manual bed adjustments. Rapid swap nozzle system. Features a toolless, quick-release nozzle design that allows users to switch between different diameters and maintain the machine with ease. Advanced motion control. Utilizes active vibration compensation to mitigate ghosting and ringing. Check the description for more details on this product. And fifth, we have the FLSUN S1. Here are some advantages of the FLSUN S1. Ultra high-speed capability. boasts a staggering maximum printing speed of 1,200 millimeters per second and acceleration up to 40,000 millimeters per second squared, making it one of the fastest consumer-grade printers on the market. AI-powered monitoring features an integrated AI camera and LiDAR system that detects printing errors, such as spaghetti or debris, in real time to prevent wasted filament and machine damage. All-in-one drying solution includes a built-in filament dryer box and active environmental controls that manage temperature and humidity to ensure optimal material performance during the print. High-temperature precision, equipped with an 80-watt ceramic heating element and a 350 degrees Celsius nozzle. Check the description for more details on this product. That wraps up our top 5 3D printer picks for 2026. Whether for home or business, we hope this guide helped you find your perfect match. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you nothing but the best in all your creative endeavors and business ventures. Good luck.